How to fix touchpad not working in Windows 11 in Dell laptop. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial, and on today's video we will learn how we can fix if your Dell touchpad is not working in Windows 11. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, make sure that you have enabled touchpad in settings. Now for that, press Window key plus I in your keyboard. That's gonna open up settings in your device. From here, from this menu bar, click on Bluetooth and devices. Under Bluetooth and devices, scroll down a bit and here click on touchpad. And under this, make sure you have turned on this toggle right here at the top right corner. And if that's not your case, you have to look for the touchpad settings or the touchpad update settings. Now, in order to update the driver, you have to right click on your start menu. Here, go to Device Manager. Under Device Manager, you have to expand mice and other pointing devices. Right here, click on it. Now, right click on your touchpad driver, that is your HID complaint mouse. You have to click on it, right click, and then click on update driver. Here, click on search automatically for the driver and the Windows will search your computer for the best available driver and will automatically install it in your device. And if this still does not help you, now you have to download the Dell touchpad driver from your Dell support. For that, you can visit the official website, enter your laptop model or use the Detect PC, then download and install the latest touchpad driver. So in this way, you can fix if your Dell touchpad is not working in your Windows 11. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.